Right, it looks like a Barbie toy. It doesn't even look like a real dog. That dog will fuck you up. It'll bite your dick off.
I got a fucking dope ass garage workshop in America.
Last time I had a motorcycle was about 12 years ago, and it looked like this. I only owned that bike for probably 6 months, maybe less than that even, and really only rode it about a quarter mile at a time, if you know what I'm saying. That's how far away the parts store was.
See? These guys get it.
I'd already gotten a tip from the previous owner that the carburetors were gummed up. I've never worked on a carburetor before, not successfully anyways, so it's time to change that. So the first order of business was to pull off the tank and the seat and the air box and remove the carburetors. I ordered a carburetor rebuild kit. I was sifting through different types of rebuild kits for this carburetor setup, and I found a couple of different ones, and it seemed like this one had the most parts in it. So my goal was to just take the thing apart, clean what looked dirty, replace whatever new parts came in the new kit, just take the old stuff out, put new stuff in it. Cross my fingers and hope that works. I also replaced the filler neck for the coolant. The filler neck and thermostat housing has a little tab kind of cast into it where it mounts onto the frame, and that had been broken off, so the filler neck was just kind of dangling around. It was only being supported by the coolant hoses. So I decided to replace that. I found one in really good shape on eBay, secondhand. There's not a whole lot of new parts available for this bike anymore, so you just gotta hope for the best and see what you can get. It wouldn't be an automotive project without spilling a little coolant. Fortunately, I didn't get any gasoline in my armpit. I stayed up pretty late trying to finish everything up and to put everything back together as much as possible so I could just get started early in the morning. I just wanted to be able to button this thing up and fire it up for the first time. even remember to cancel the turn signal.